Sweetened condensed milk can be used in coffee, baking, and some ice cream recipes. Change the sugar to your favorite sweetener or even use dairy-free milk. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of milk. You can use non-fat, full-fat, or dairy-free milk. And then add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. On medium-low heat, stir the sugar to make sure it is even on the bottom of the saucepan. Continue stirring until all of the sugar is dissolved. If you want to add more flavor to the sweetened condensed milk, you can add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Turn the heat down to low and let simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the milk has reduced by half. The mixture should start to thicken up and change to a creamy tan color. Use a spoon to remove any foam that forms on top to have a clear and clean condensed milk. The foam is only impurities coming out of the granulated sugar and the milk. This recipe should make around 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Let the sweetened condensed milk cool completely before using in any recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.